Good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at my self-storage. I just came from Kmart. I bought this one. Yeah, basically a phone holder and a cup or a mug or bottle holder. And I'm going to install it now. And I don't know if you remember this. This is basically the basket that is originally in the front, in the handlebar of my bike. Yeah, initially I was walking in Kmart because I was looking for a new one, a clean one. And a little smaller one, but I did not see any. They have in the Kmart the handlebar kind of bags, but it's not really the one designed for the handlebar of my bike. Yeah, and then I saw this. I thought this is for kids because of the photos, the packaging. But when I open it, it is actually nice. This one is also good to put it back, but yeah, feels too big. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed this. This is where I put the cup, my coffee mug, and then here is my camera or my phone. Yeah. Well, see, I don't know. This one is just $7, so cheap. So basically when I installed the television and the new table at the back, suddenly the seat post it's not fit anymore. And so whenever I'm putting this bike inside, I need to take off the seat. I am not going to ride the bike today. Yeah, because it's already 4:25. And within 1 hour or in 30 minutes it's going to be dark already. Is it right to be here? So when I'm drinking coffee, it is right to be here. It's moving because the size of this is not even. What I'm going to do now? Probably I need to buy a new handlebar. Okay, it's not going to work. I found this thing in the storage. Maybe this one is going to work instead of this one, rubber. Okay, I think it works. Basically, it's going to be like that. And like that. Nice. Going to put it back. Putting the bike here is now tricky because limited space. That is basically because of these shelves that I put here. Yeah, and so I needed to take off the seat posts to be able to fit in here. Also, the basket that I have previously won't be able to fit in here anymore because it was here. Yeah. And so this one that I bought from Kmart is just right one. Actually, let me show you what are the development inside. Yeah, because I added some additional features. I'm not wearing shoes when I'm inside this van. I always take it up there, or most of the time I just go inside Yeah, driver seat. And I usually just crawl from driver seat inside here. Another thing that is new is this computer monitor in here. Yeah, it's big. Actually, this is the one that is coming from my previous camper van. Yeah, the one that I was using in my apartment before, in the granny flat. And the good thing about this is that it moves everywhere. It can be there. It can be here. Yeah. Or it can be here. Yeah, and that position is very useful when I'm sitting down here and editing the video. Or just watching, just relaxing, watching movies or watching YouTube. Very useful. Or I can put it to the side. Yeah, just here watching YouTube. And usually in the night, I'll just move it on this side. And so I have a good space for me to sleep. And then when I'm driving, I usually put it here. And then I have this kind of belt holding it so that it's not going to move around when I am driving. And another thing that you're seeing is the lights. I have those lights. Another thing that you're going to notice is this. I have a battery here. Yeah, the EcoFlow Rever 2 Pro. Yeah, this is very useful. This is basically my second battery. What else is the new thing? Yeah, the toilet. You've seen the toilet. Yeah, I have it there. Oh, I also have this. Yeah, this kinds of organizer. Oh, I also have lights in here. Yeah, under the table I have this light so that whenever I am looking for something in here. Yeah, and of course these are some of the basic things. My fridge, look what's inside my fridge. I have a yogurt, I have rice, I have baba ganoush, blueberry, frozen blueberry, eggs, and milk. And I also have this actually dried fish. Let me show you. Yeah, dried fish. Yeah, this dried fish is coming from Stanley and Sarah Jane. And this is the pantry. So I have mixed nuts. I have peanut butter, almond cashew butter. I have a bread. This is a rye bread. I have this Kia that I put in yogurt. I also have this. These are instant coffee, 3-in-1. But yeah, I don't drink this anymore. I mean, I still drink this, but not very often. Maybe once in a while, because this is this has too much sugar. Yeah, that one is also coming from Stanley and Sarah Jane. And these are some of my condiments. I have fish sauce, coffee, olive oil, vinegar, soy sauce, salt, pepper, cloves, mixed herbs, salt, and so many other things. Also this also coming from Sarah Jane and Stanley. I have the oats, and this the rice. Oh, rice empty. Yeah, I need to go to the grocery. And these are some of the plates and bowl and jug, cups, everything. Yeah, microwave oven, and my bag, another bag, gym bag. And this is my clothes usually. This is where I put my uniform, and this is my clothes, usual clothes. And in case you don't know what is this is a moisture absorber. I have a lot of moisture absorber. Yeah, around the bun. Everywhere. Actually, all these two, inside there is a moisture absorber. As in everywhere, there is a moisture absorber. There is here. There is also inside here. I also have some here. And if I want the lights to be really bright, I have another one here. Yeah, so this bright. Yeah, moisture absorber. Moisture absorber. Yeah, moisture absorber. And this exhaust fan, they are very important. Because you know, when we are sleeping in the night, when we are breathing, when we are being inside, just being inside here in the van, creates moisture, condensation. And so, yeah, this is very important. Yeah, to avoid the molds and mildew. Yeah. But to be honest, I want to take this bed off. Yeah, I want to remove this bed and change it with the extendable one. I want to have more space. Okay, that's it. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. Yeah, I also want to remove this one. Yeah, this this cup hanger here. I want to put it somewhere. I want to put it somewhere there at the back. It is already 5:20. It's outside. It's already dark. We're going to leave this place now.